So if you're here, that means you probably have questions about transfer on death deeds, particularly what they are, how they work, how to create one, and whether or not you should use one. Well, in today's video, I'm going to answer those questions. Hi, I'm Chuck Roulette. I'm an estate and elder law planning attorney licensed to practice in both Florida and Minnesota. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. And if you have a question, post it in the comments below and I may answer it in an upcoming video. Finally, if you stay until the end, I'm going to share some free resources with you where you can learn more. So what exactly is a transfer on death deed? Well, a good way to think about it is as a beneficiary designation for your real estate. It's a legal document that allows you to transfer your property to someone else after you die without having to go through the probate process. So here's how it works. You create the deed while you're alive. In the deed, you name who gets the property after you pass away, often one or more of your kids. You keep full ownership and control of the property while you're alive. Then when you pass away, the property goes to the person or people that you named. Now, why would someone consider using a transfer on death deed? Well, there are several reasons. First is that it avoids probate. This is the big one. Probate can be a time-consuming and expensive process, and a TOD lets your property skip this process. The second, simplicity. TODs are often simpler and cheaper to set up than other tools like trusts. Third, flexibility. You can change your mind about a TOD at any time while you're alive. 4, privacy. Unlike a will, a TOD keeps your property transfer private. Now let's look at a quick example. Meet Sarah, 65-year-old homeowner, and she wants to leave her house to her daughter Emily, but doesn't want Emily to have to deal with the probate court. So Sarah decides to use a transfer on death deed. Here's what happens. Sarah creates a TOD naming Emily as the beneficiary and records it with the county recorder's office. Sarah continues to live in her house and can even sell it if she wants to. When Sarah passes away, the house automatically transfers to Emily. Emily prepares a form and files it along with Sarah's death certificate with the county recorder to complete the transfer. No probate, no hassle. Now, while TODs can be great, they're not perfect for every situation. Let's look at some of the pros and cons. The pros: it avoids probate. It's cost effective. You keep control of your property and they're easy to change. Now here are the cons. Only works for real estate. They're not available in all states. They can be challenged in court. It doesn't actually protect your home from long-term care and nursing home costs. It doesn't protect against creditors or other issues that your beneficiaries may have. If your kids are married, their spouses will also automatically inherit due to state law, and then they'll have to sign off on any sale, which can cause complications. Finally, your homeowner's insurance may not cover damage or loss to the property after your passing and prior to completion of the transfer to your beneficiaries. So who should consider a transfer on death deed? Well, it might be a good option if you own real estate in a state that allows TODs. Second, you want to avoid probate for your real estate. You want to keep things simple and cost effective. You're comfortable with your beneficiary receiving the property outright, and you're comfortable with the risks associated with them. However, you might want to explore other options if you own property in multiple states, for example, particularly in states that don't have TODs. You want to leave your property to multiple beneficiaries with specific instructions. You're concerned about protecting the property from your beneficiary's creditors. You have complex estate that might benefit from more comprehensive planning. You want to protect your home from long-term care and nursing home costs, and you're simply not comfortable with the risks associated with TODs. In fact, it's my personal belief that the risks associated with TODs far outweigh the benefits, and so I actually do not recommend them to my clients except in very limited circumstances. So remember, while TODs can be a useful tool, they're just one piece of the estate planning puzzle. A comprehensive estate plan might also include a will, power of attorney, healthcare directive, and possibly trusts. And at the end of the day, every person's situation is unique, and what works well for one person might not be the best choice for another. That's why it's crucial to work with an experienced estate planning attorney who can help you create a plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. So if you're a homeowner in Minnesota or Florida, we at Roulette Law Firm would be happy to schedule a consultation to discuss your goals for your planning and how we can work with you to create a custom tailored plan to achieve them. If you would like to learn more or schedule a consultation, visit our website at roulettelaw.com. And if you would like to learn more about how to protect your home and life savings from long-term care and nursing home costs, I've written a book, Save Our Home, How to Protect Your Home and Life Savings from Long-Term Care and Nursing Home Costs. And there's a link in the description below where you can download your copy. I'm also going to be hosting an online masterclass where I'm going to reveal some of the strategies I use with my private clients and their families to make it as easy and inexpensive as possible to manage their affairs. I'll discuss how to avoid probate, wills versus trusts, how to save on taxes, how to protect the money you leave for your kids in the event they get divorced, and much more. And there's a link in the description below where you can sign up to join us in the masterclass. Don't leave your legacy to chance. Remember, a little planning today can save your loved ones a lot of headaches tomorrow. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in either an upcoming video or the masterclass. Be well.